Hi, in today's Microsoft Word tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Word. I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you already know what a template is, but if not, it's basically a document that when opened contains the basic text and formatting needed for a purpose, such as a CV, an invoice, a report, or a legal document. You then edit it and fill in the template as needed and save it as a new document. The template will always remain saved as the original template and cannot be overwritten. So let's get started. So I've just created this template that I can use for my own purposes. And what I now want to do is to save this as a template to allow me to use it over and over again, edit it, but not save it with all that information already in it. Otherwise I'm going to have to keep going back, taking the information out and then re-inputting new information. So the way to do that is to simply go to File, go down to Save As, and then just pick any file that you want to. Then you can name your document or your template. Now what happens is at the moment this is going to save it to the file that I have selected. However, if you go down to this Save As type and click on it and go down to Word Template, when you click on that, automatically Word will save it to a file called Custom Office Templates, and that will come as a default of your software. Then just simply go down and click Save. And at the top here you'll see I've saved it as Invoice 3, and now this is my template. Now to check that your template is there, if you go back up to File and go down to New, you'll see there's a number of different templates that Word gives you access to. But if you go to this icon here that says Personal, this is where Word stores all the templates that you've made yourself. So in here you can see I've got Invoice 3. So what will happen when you click on this and open this, it will no longer be named Invoice 3. So if I just click on it, we've now got something called Document 11. And what that means is that Word has actually opened up a brand new document for you with your template inside. So now you can go ahead and just edit your document, and then when you go ahead and save, it will save as a completely new document. So you won't be saving on top of your template, and that's the beauty about having templates. So if I just go back, and then if I decided that I wanted a new template, I would just simply go back, click on New again, click on my Personal, and then my Invoice 3. And now I've got Document 12. You can see the name that I entered has gone, and it's a brand new document, Document 12, that you can now edit and save as a new document. I hope that's helped. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.